Hey, I'm Tim. So I've been curious about robot vacuums for a while now, and I wanted to see if the hype was actually real. Here's the thing. You don't want to drop real money on a robot vacuum that quits on you in a month, or leaves half your floors dirty. I tested all 5 across suction power, real-world pet hair, tangle-free performance, and actual battery life. I ran them through my home, tested them on carpet, hardwood, and pet hair disaster zones. One of these completely caught me off guard. Let me break down what I found. And if you want to see the winner revealed, hit subscribe to catch the full ranking. Unboxing this one, I immediately felt the budget vibes. It's a 2-in-1 vacuum and mop combo, which sounds amazing on paper. Clean and wet clean in one pass. The motor spins at 5,200 pascals suction, and it's got that no-tangle brush design, which is solid thinking for pet owners. I ran it across hardwood first, and honestly, it picked up light dust fine. Then I deliberately spread some pet hair across the floor. This is where things got weird. The brush grabbed the hair okay, but the overall path coverage felt scattered. The mop attachment adds water to the floor as it goes, which is convenient, but the suction wasn't strong enough to keep the dust and debris picked up while also mopping. It left wet streaks on my hardwood. Battery life clocked in at about 40 minutes on a full home, which is just shy of what I needed for 2 floors. Real strength here is the price point and the automatic recharge features, super convenient for hands-off operation. But the weak point? That suction just doesn't compete when you have pets or deep carpet. It's like having a fan pretend to be a vacuum. This is a starter gadget for light-touch homes with minimal pet traffic, not for anyone with serious cleaning demands. Then I moved to the next model, priced at $99.99. This Roomba arrived with serious hype behind it. 70x powerlifting suction is the promise here. The design is clean and compact, and I'll admit I was skeptical about whether the suction would actually back up that number. Unboxing it, the build quality felt sturdy. The unit's got a 3-stage cleaning system with both a main brush and an edge sweeping brush, plus LiDAR mapping to plot out your home. I ran it through the full test suite. The LiDAR mapping is genuinely smart. It creates a neat grid pattern and doesn't waste time wandering aimlessly like some older models. On hardwood, it pulled up dust and light debris with no hesitation. Then I threw the pet hair gauntlet at it, grabbed my dog's shedding from the couch, and spread it across carpet. The 105X actually pulled that stuff up cleanly. Battery lasted about 90 minutes on hardwood, which is solid. What's impressive is the app control and voice integration. You can schedule room-by-room cleaning and target high-traffic zones, which is way smarter than older Roombas. The real limitation? This thing doesn't mop. If you want wet cleaning capabilities, you're out of luck. Also, the edge brush occasionally wrapped hair around itself. Nothing catastrophic, but annoying enough that you'll find yourself cleaning it every week or two. For pure vacuuming, it's reliable and hits the performance mark. It's like hiring a personal assistant who only does one job but does it really, really well. This one's worth considering if mopping isn't on your list. But there's something else that really impressed me. Priced at $239.99. Here's the thing. The eufy 11S Max is thin, like absurdly thin. It's 2.85 inches tall, which means it can slide under furniture that would stop every other robot I tested. I pulled it out of the box and my first reaction was, wait, that's it? The design is minimalist and almost sleek. No Wi-Fi, no app, no fancy navigation, just a remote control and straightforward operation. I know that sounds like a downgrade, but here's where it got interesting. I tested it on hardwood first, and the Boost IQ technology automatically cranked the suction up as soon as it hit carpet. The adaptation happened in 1.5 seconds, which I actually timed. Pet hair test was impressive for the form factor. It cleared my carpet zones without tangling issues. Battery life absolutely crushed the others. 100 minutes on hardwood, 85 on carpet. That's real-world performance I could depend on. The noise level is genuinely quiet, which means you can run this overnight without waking anyone. The real strength? Durability and simplicity. No Wi-Fi means fewer things to break or disconnect. The no-app approach feels primitive, until you realize there's nothing to sync or troubleshoot. The honest flaw is coverage. Without smart mapping, it takes a less efficient path, so you're not getting organized grid pattern cleaning. For apartments or smaller homes, this is genuinely excellent. It's like choosing a mechanical watch over a smartwatch. Fewer features, but also fewer ways it can fail you. Plus, if you're a Tim's Top 5 member, you already know I'm testing 5 more vacuums next week, and we're doing a live vote on which category comes after that. Exclusive members-only breakdown, dropping Wednesday. And now for the models that really separated themselves. Priced at $169.99. The Roborock Q 7M5 Plus pulled up in a box that screamed premium. This thing comes with the RockDock Plus, which is a self-emptying station that holds a 2.7-liter dust bag, meaning you don't empty the vacuum itself for up to 7 to 9 weeks. Insane. Unboxing it, the build quality is noticeably heavier than the eufy, or the ROPVACNIC. The main unit has a dual anti-tangle design with jaw scrapers on the brush, and the suction is rated at 10,000 pascals. That's legitimately powerful. I ran the hardwood test first, and the LiDAR navigation created a clean, efficient map. No wasted movement. Then the carpet and pet hair test. This is where the 10,000 PA suction really showed up. It pulled embedded hair from carpet fibers that other models left behind. The mopping feature uses dual spinning mops at 200 RPM with a 10mm lip, which is thoughtful design. The mop actually scrapes stains instead of just spreading water around. Battery life hit 110 minutes on hardwood, and the auto return to dock function works flawlessly. The self-emptying dock is genuinely life-changing. You forget you even own a robot. Real strength here is the hybrid performance. It vacuums and mops with serious power in both modes simultaneously. The honest limitation: it's pricier, and the dust bag is an ongoing consumable cost. Also, the mop attachment adds weight, so it doesn't fit under furniture as easily as lighter models. For homes with pets and hard surfaces mixed together, this is industrial-grade cleaning. It's like buying a truck instead of a sedan. More capable, more features, but also more complex in commitment. Then there's one that changed everything for me. Priced at $279.99. This one arrived, and I immediately felt the difference. The roborock Qrevo is a next-level machine. 8,000 pascals hyperforce suction. That's the highest rating of everything I tested. The docking station is an all-in-one beast. It auto-empties, cleans the mop pads, and refills the water tank. I opened the box and just sat with it for a second, because the engineering is genuinely thoughtful. The brush system is where this gets wild. It uses an asymmetrical side brush with 0% hair tangling according to SGS certification. And the main brush has something called reactive tilt technology that adjusts bristle angle based on what it's cleaning. I tested this extensively because I didn't believe the no-tangle claim. Ran it over a month with my dog shedding everywhere, and I've checked the brush exactly once. The mop system uses dual spinning mops at 200 RPM with a 10mm lift, just like the Q7M5 Plus. But here's the difference. The Qrevo adds reactive tech obstacle avoidance. It actually sees and avoids cables, toys, and furniture edges, even in low light. I deliberately placed obstacles and watched it navigate around them instead of tangling or getting stuck. Carpet test was extraordinary. The suction absolutely demolished embedded pet hair. Hardwood mopping left 0 streaks or residue. Battery life clocked 140 minutes, which is longer than I could realistically need. The docking station handles everything automatically, so the cleaning cycle is totally hands-off for weeks. Real strength is that it's the most complete system here. Best suction, best navigation, best tangle resistance, best mopping, and best automation all in one package. Is there a weakness? The price point is the highest of the lineup, and the all-in-one dock takes up real space. But here's the thing. This vacuum paid for itself the moment I realized I don't have to manually clean the brush ever again. And the time I'm saving every month adds up fast. It's like upgrading from cooking every meal to having a personal chef handle it. You're paying more up front, but your life genuinely changes. And that's the robot vacuum that made the rest look overpriced. Priced at $399.99. So there it is. 5 robot vacuums tested, ranked, and 1 clear winner. All the product links are in the description below. Pricing, specs, everything. If this helped you, smash that like button and subscribe to Tim's Top 5 for more honest gear testing.